Hey everybody, Paul Rogers again, Renovation Real Estate. Again, it's all about that house, right? It's all about that one house we're looking for. So I'm here talking to you naturally about being your real estate agent and helping you try to find that perfect house, or I'm trying to help you sell your house. So I have a lot of things I can help you out with there. But although today I've gotten some other questions on, and this comes up all the time. Here's a huge miscarriage, right? People think, are these only like FHA? Is this only for low income individuals? I've heard that, if I make over X amount of money a year, I can't qualify for an FHA. I got to do conventional. I got to do 10. I got to do 20% down. I'm not a veteran. So is it true? Well, I'm here to tell you, nope, it's not true. You can make as much money as you want. The lender doesn't care if you make $50,000 a year or $500,000 a year. It has no predication on your annual income of whether or not you can go FHA. And my whole premise to people is, if I could put 3.5% down versus 5% down or 10 or 20% down, and if we can get you into a house, if I can help you get into a house at 3.5% down on an FHA home purchase improvement loan, renovation loan, rehab loan, all these acronyms out there, right? If I can get you into a place for 3.5% down versus 5, 10, 20% down, would you be happy? I think a lot of my clients go, well, hey, Paul, yeah, I'd be kind of happy if you could help me get into something for 3.5, but I make too much money. No, you don't. As long as you get good credit, right? And FHA actually has more lenient credit requirements as far as your FICO score and some other things of that nature. Again, I'll put you in touch with some of the best loan officers in the country that work with these programs all the time with me. We'll talk to you about how that goes, but you get higher qualifying limits, you get better FICO scores. Maybe your FICO score is not great, maybe it's good. Maybe you don't have an 800, maybe you got a 650, 700. That's still good, right? So we can still get you into these programs. And so, no, the old premise is I make too much money. I can't do an FHA 203K loan. I make that's entirely false. So anyway, put that to bed, put that to rest. Let me talk to you a little bit more, most certainly about these. But if you're, it doesn't matter what your income bracket is. If we can get you qualified, 3.5% down, yeah, let's see what we can do for you. Anyway, hey, thanks again for tuning in. If you want to hit the subscribe button over there, we'd love to have you on board. I got a whole bunch more videos and tutorials that I want to teach you. I want to train you. I want to tell you more about what these home purchase improvement loans are the best thing on the market. All right? Thanks again, and talk to you soon. Have a great day.